Welcome back to Starving Artist Courses, your all-in-one online music education resource. My name is Jewett, and today we are back for another piano lesson. We'll be learning Rihanna's Lift Me Up from the new Black Panther 2 movie. This movie was amazing, such an emotional, iconic film, and I love that Rihanna put this track on the soundtrack. It's a great song, and it's a great song to learn on the piano because it's very simple and straightforward. So we're going to dive right into this, but before we do, I would love for you to subscribe to Starving Artist Courses. This is going to be a great time here on our YouTube video. We have tons of videos on here, and also if you want to sign up for one-on-one lessons, we offer that as well on our website, starvingartistcourses.com/membership. So go ahead and check that out too, but we're going to go ahead and dive into this song, guys. So pretty much this song is in the key of A. So it follows the A major scale pattern. It's pretty straightforward. So the A major scale pattern goes from A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then ends on A. So those are going to be our notes, okay? And based off of the note in that scale, we're going to call these by numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? So A was the first note in that scale, so we're going to play the A chord, which will be A major chord, and that's the first chord here. So we got A major, and then it goes to a B minor, which is the 2. Then we're going to go to the 5, which is the E major, and then back to the 1, A. Okay, so the notes that make the A chord are going to be A, C sharp, and E. That B minor chord is going to be B, D, F sharp. And then you got the E major, which is going to be E, G sharp, and B. And then back to the A. Okay? So if we were to play this, this is going to be the section that says lift me up. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Lift me up. Safe and sound. Okay, so that's that chorus section there, okay, and that's how that goes. That's the whole progression. Now, the thing with this song is that first chord is A, but they're kind of playing it like a ghost chord. You're not going to hear them play it, but it's going to be sustained from where you play it on the 4th chord. So let me go ahead and explain. So the first chord is A major, so it's going to go lift me up. That's the B minor. Then E major, hold me down. But when you go to keep me close, you're still holding this. Keep me close. Okay? So you're still holding the A major, but you're not going to press it again. You're not going to hit it again on the first chord. It's just being sustained from the 4th. So again, I'm going to play it straight through. I'm actually looping and singing 2 times so it kind of makes sense to you. So I'm not playing anything yet. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Okay? And then you actually hold this as you go into the verse. Burning in a hopeless dream, hold me when you go to sleep. Now, when it goes to keep me in your warmth, we're going to pause there because now we're just adding in a new chord. So we're in the verse now. When we do, keep me in your warmth, keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Okay. So when we do that part, that's going to be an F sharp minor chord. So F sharp minor, we're going to play the F sharp here in the bass. I love that. That sounds great. We're going to play the F sharp here in the bass. And then up here, to make the minor chord, you're going to do F sharp, A, and then C sharp. So that's your F sharp minor. Okay? And what that is doing is that's replacing that A chord on the 1, the first chord. And then from there, you're going to go to that B minor, to the E, back to the A. Okay? So when we go into the verse, it's going to be the same like what we played in the chorus, except when you get to keep me in the warmth, that's where you're going to throw in that F sharp minor chord, and then everything else is exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and throw that in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Okay, and from there we go back to lift me up. Lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Okay? And verse 2 does the exact same thing, so you don't have to worry about doing that, okay? Now remember, coming out of that second chorus, going into verse 2, you're not going to be playing that A chord as the first chord. You're just still sustaining it from the fourth chord that you previously played. So if I start from keep me close, that's going to be on that F sharp minor chord. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Now you just stay here. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Then F sharp. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Now going into chorus 3, we're going to start it with that F sharp minor. So it's going to go, lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Okay? And then it's going to go into verse 3, which following that exact same pattern, okay? So great job so far. So what we're going to do now is play the song straight through. And remember that first chord as she sings, she's not playing that A. It is an A supposed to be there, but we're not going to play it. We're just going to start with our first chord on that B minor chord, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Lift me up. Hold me down. Just sustain this. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Hold it. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up. Safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need light. We need love. All right, guys, great job. So that was Lift Me Up by Rihanna. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure to actually go and listen to the song and play right along with it. Remember, the song is only 4 chords. You got the A, the B minor, the E major, and then the F sharp minor. Those are your 4 chords, and it loops and repeats throughout the entire song. Nice and easy. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to this channel and comment below, how was it practicing this song? I would love to hear how your progress is going. And also, if you want to go deeper and have one-on-one lessons with our instructors, go to starvingartistcourses.com/memberships, and you can sign up for virtual lessons and connect and continue to grow on your instrument, from piano to guitar to voice to drums, all of it. So we would love to have you. Again, thank you so much for tuning in to Starving Artist Courses, and we'll see you next time.